What's going on, folks? Today is a hot one. I don't know if you can tell, but my glasses are fogged up because it is hot and it is humid. So today I wanted to do a quick little review of the lawn in general. I want to show you the front. I'm going to show you the back looks like after the debacle of that rainstorm. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. At least it's growing. I got a lot of patching to do, but I just want to show you this real quick. Then we're gonna do a quick mow, and then I've got to do my next batch of liquid fert. My neighbors are mowing the lawn, so that's all the background noise. I apologize for that. But hey, I love it when people are outside doing their thing. So yeah, so that's the plan for today. Do a little review, do a little mow, do a little fert, call it a day. So let's take a look. So as you can see, the tracks of where all of the piping was for the irrigation has actually filled in quite nicely, and from a distance it actually looks really, really nice. Also, my American flag is up there, so that's kind of cool. But as you can see, when you get up close, it is a little thin, and people are running over this corner, which also has a sprinkler head, so they're gonna bust that sucker out if they are not careful. And when I say they, I include myself also, because I know I did that the other day. But it's been real soft here because it's been raining a lot, and so that's what's going on. And it's good because, hey, the grass is growing. It is toasty today. I think we've got a high of 90. But we're going to mow this. This is the Fescue, and it's going to be at about a 3-inch height. And then we're going to move over to the back. Let me show you what that's looking like. All right, so when you look at the lawn, sorry, I'm looking at it over my daughter's car. When you look at the back from this angle, it's looking pretty good. It's growing. Obviously, there's a lot of leaves here. So I'm gonna actually mow this pretty low. But the problem is that when you get up close to it, it is a little thin. And that's okay, because that's to be expected. But I'm gonna have to fix all of that. And then you can see where all of the water damage is right here, all those thin spots. But you know, overall, it could have been a lot worse, I think. Oh boy. Looky here. Yeah, that's a mole. That's a molehill. Yep, that's a molehill right there. Looks like we got moles. Fantastic. Those are not going to make it. I'm going to go ahead and let you know they are not going to make it in this lawn. I had to do armadillos before, and now I'm going to do with moles. I don't think so. We're going to figure this one out real quick. But anyway, let's keep going. So then when you go up here, this area is looking pretty good. Not too bad, right? It definitely needs to get mowed. And then of course you see where all the big water damage was right there. And then when we go over here to the side, it's also not too bad. So over here, I'm going to mow it nice and low. I'm going to bag everything for many reasons, not least of which I got a lot of leaves and debris. You can see back here where all of that's going on. I showed you guys that they came out to do the electrical, and the guys were super cool, and they actually did not tear it up. So I was super happy about that. Good guys, happy about it. They didn't really do any damage at all to everything. So I did not seed here because I thought they would tear it up. So we got to deal with that. What's interesting is right here is where I scraped up all of that stuff, and it just grew. So there was plenty of seed back there. And then right up there is where I basically put all the stuff that was down here, and it came out all right. You know, I look at this grass now and I think, oh, what could have been? What could have been? The rainstorm hadn't torn up the lawn. Just imagine what this would be looking like right now. But such is life, and we will recover. We will rebuild. It'll be better than it was before. I hope, but we'll see. So anyway, that's what we're gonna work on today. Let's get to mowing, and then we can do our fert application. That's only gonna be in the front. The back here is another week before I get to that, but we'll get to that in a minute. So let's mow. it's not looking terrible. So, you know, it's getting hot. So you know, these trails are gonna be a little bit green. Back there, I'm not even gonna take you because this whole thing, by the way, next time I video, is gonna look very different. And I'll explain it to you on the next video. But it's real muddy back there. Nothing's growing, but I'm gonna fix it. And the rest of it looks okay. Just remember, we're redoing this in the fall. I'm just trying to maintain it and keep it from looking like crap. So let's go to the back. I got half of this done, and as you can see, the thing you gotta love about perennial ryegrass is stripes. I don't even have a stripe kit on here, and I actually got some stripes in this, you know, barely grown grass, so it looks really cool. Gotta finish this section right here and that back there, and I'll be done. I am pretty filthy. If you can see my arms, they are just a lot of the sand and compost is kicking up as I'm mowing, but let's finish this up. All right, well, that's it. That's all the mowing. Like I said, it looks like crap, but at least it's striping, right? All I can do is have a sense of humor about this because this sucks, but you know, we'll take care of it. By the way, what do you think of the shirt? If you can read through the sweat, that's one of my new shirts that I've got merchandise on. Interested, go out there and take a look at it. DIY Lawn Shark. If not interested, then move on. So anyway, let's get to our second app of fertilizer for the front yard, and let's go mix it now, shall we? All right, so this is the next step. Post germination, we are 21 days. And that's when we add some more RGS, which is the root growth stimulant. And now we move over to the Green Start, which is a nice little dose of nitrogen, no phosphorus, and a little bit of potassium. So what we're trying to do is just keep that growth going. We'll come back in another 21 days and do the final step, but we'll talk about that when we get to it. I'm actually going to do all of this in my little hose-in sprayer. And so we're going to do 3 ounces of the RGS, 12 ounces of the 901. We're going to do that dose per 1,000 square feet. I've got 2,000 square feet up there, so I'm actually going to do 2 of these. And again, don't forget to shake this sucker up. I probably should put on some gloves, but I'm not going to because I'm pretty nasty and it doesn't matter. And as you guys saw from my sister-in-law last week, this stuff stinks. But you know what it is? It's the smell of success. All right, and 12 ounces of the Green Start, and then we'll fill it up with water, do 1,000 square feet, and then do it all again. And all this stuff stinks. All right, so let's go to that much. That's 18 ounces. Fill it up the rest of the way, and we will spray it out at a rate of 6 ounces on the nozzle. All right, let's get going. All right, well, we put down our next step of Fert. We definitely want to get this watered into the soil. I mean, this is a soil supplement. We don't really care about this stuff being on the foliage. So that's what we're working on right now. But that's pretty much all that we've got today. One of the things I just realized when I was showing you guys my shirt was that I realized that I passed 1,000 subscribers, and I meant to do a giveaway, but with moving and all the projects that we've been doing, I totally forgot. So I think I'm gonna do a giveaway here soon. We'll probably schedule something to do online and we'll do it live. But stay tuned, take a look at my social media. I'm at the.lawn.shark on Instagram, and I'll probably post something out there and plan on doing some sort of a giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like if you liked it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please think about doing that if I've earned your subscription. And then also don't forget to hit that bell if you want to be notified of future videos. So we will finish up here today. I'll come back next week and probably have a little bit more of a plan on this giveaway, and we will talk then. So hope you guys have a blessed week. We'll talk to you soon.